Hey everyone, we're going to be continuing this Trading for Success series today on talking about PIPS and buy orders in the Forex market. So what are PIPS? PIPS stand for point in percentage. This is the unit of measure to express change in value. This means when a currency exchange rate is going up or coming down, there has to be a unit of measure going up or down. Every single time the market moves 1 point, this is how traders make buying or selling trades in the Forex market. We have the currency pair GBP USD at 1.3110. This means that the Great British Pound for the US dollar is at an exchange rate of $1.31. So now let's count pips. This is going to be a quick lesson on counting pips. I'm going to make a separate video specifically on all the currency pairs and how to specifically count pips on each currency pair. But today we're going to do a quick lesson using the currency pair AUD-JPY. So we have AUD-JPY at a base price of 101.123. Alright. Like it says right here, the last number, which is a 3, is called the pipette. Alright. So we have the 3 right here. This 3, let's not worry about this. Alright. The pipette is a fraction of a pip, and we don't worry about the last number of the currency pair when we're counting pips. Alright. So when you're counting pips, you never ever have to put your focus on the last number of any currency pair that the price is at. So AUD-JPY, we took this trade. Let's say we're all taking trades right now. All right, we took this trade at 101.123. All right, let's remove the 3 right here. Let's take that off our head. Like, don't worry about it. When we're counting pips and want to make money in the Forex market, we never worry about this number right here. This doesn't determine how we make money in the Forex market. The numbers on the left after that do determine. All right, so to count 1 pip from this base price. All right, so we don't worry about the 3 again. Let's not worry about the 3. Let's focus on these numbers. So the 2 right here, this is our ones place. Then we have the 1 right here. This is our tens place. And then we have another 1 right here. This is a 100s place. So today we're going to learn how to count how this number moves up 1 pip and down pip. So let's say we took this trade at 101.12. All right, remove the 3. We took this trade at 101.12. If the price is at 101.13, now this pair has moved up 1 pip. All right. We took the trade at 101.12. This is our ones place. This is our tens place. This is our hundreds place. So let's focus on the ones place right now, the 2. If this number goes anywhere up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc., then it's moved 1 pip. If this number goes down to a 1 or a 0, etc., it's moved down 1 pip. All right, this is our ones place. So if the price is at 101.13, and we took the trade at 101.12, then the currency has moved up 1 pip. Let's say it's moved down 1 pip. If the price is at 101.11, then the trade has moved down 1 pip. Alright, let's say it again. We worry about the ones place. If the price is at 101.13, then this trade has moved up 1 pip. If the price is at 101.11, then this trade that we took it at has moved down 1 pip. Alright, now let's count pips, moving up 10 or moving down 10. So if you want to count up 10 pips from this currency pair, alright, remember, don't worry about the 3. We're worrying about these 5 numbers. We have our ones place, then we have our tens place right here. Our tens place right here. Alright. If we took the trade at 101.12 and we want to move up 10 pips, then all we have to do is simply add 10 from these numbers. Alright. So now the price is at 101.22. This means that the price has moved up to 10 pips. Alright. If we took this trade at 101.12, again, our ones place, our tens place right here. We're focusing on the tens place right here. This number 1. Let's move this. We count this up by 10. And the price is now at 101.22. So now this trade has moved up 10 pips. Now, if the price is at 101.02, then this trade has moved down 10 pips. All right. So again, our tens place. All we have to do to count up by 10 pips is add this number by 10. So now the price is at 101.22 because 12 plus 10 is 22. So that means this trade has moved up 10 pips. And to move down 10 pips, all we have to do is subtract 10 by this number, the 12. 12 minus 10 is 2. So if the price is at 101.22 and we took the trade at 101.12, then this trade has moved up 10 pips. If we took this trade at 101.12 and the price is at 101.02, then this trade has moved down 10 pips. Alright, now if you want to count by hundreds, again, a number right here, this number 1 right here, this is our 100s place. So all we have to do in order to count 100 pips is add this 112 by 100. And we get the price is now at 102.12. So when the price is at 102.12, this trade has moved up 100 pips. Alright, let me say this again. Our 100s place right here. This number 1 is 100s place. All we have to do is add up by 100. Alright, and now the price is at 102.12. This has moved up 100 pips. Now if you want to subtract 100 pips, again, go to your 100s place. All you have to do is subtract 100 into this 112 and you get 12. 112 minus 100 is 12. So if the price is at 100.12, this trade has moved down 100 pips. Alright, so again, a recap about this. We took this trade, the AUD-JPY trade, we took it at 101.12. Alright, remember, this last number is called the pipette. The 3 right here is called the pipette. We don't worry about pipettes when we're counting pips. This doesn't help us make money. What helps us make money and how much money we're making are the rest of the numbers, not the last number. Don't worry about the last number. Alright, so again, we have our ones place. This 2 right here is our ones place. This 1 right here is our tens place. And then this 1 right here is our hundreds place. If we want to move up 1 pip, then let's go back to your ones place. Alright, this 2. In order to move up 1 pip, this 2 either has to go up to a 3, a 4, a 5, or 6, or 7, or 8. That means it's moved up 1 pip. If this 2 has changed and it's going down and change into a 1 or a 0, like any number going down, it's moved down 1 pip. Alright, so if let's say we took the trade at 101.12, if the price is at 101.13, then it's moved up 1 pip. If we took the trade at 101.12 and the price is now at 101.11, then this trade has moved down 1 pip. Alright, now for tens plate, let's go back to our counting up by 10 pips. Let's go back to our place. This is our ones. We counted by ones. Alright. Now let's go to our tens place. Our tens place is this number 1 right here. Alright, if we took this trade at 101.12 and the price is at 101.22, then this trade has moved up 10 pips. Because all we did is this tens place right here, which is the 1, has moved up 1. So it's now the price is at 101.22, it's moved up 10 pips. And if we took this trade at 101.12 and it's moved and the price is now at 101.02, then it's moved down 10 pips. Same thing with the hundreds place. Let's go back. We have our 0, our 1s, our hundreds, my bad, a 0, our 1s, our 10s, and our hundreds place right here. All we have to do to move up 100 pips is add this number to 100. So now the price is at 102.12 and it's moved up 100 pips. And in order for this, if we took the trade at 101.12 and the price is now at 100.12, then it's moved down 100 pips. The secret to counting pips, I would say, is, like I said, worry about your ones, your tens, and hundreds place. Alright? So whenever this number goes up, this is your ones place. Whenever this number goes up, that means it's moving up 1 pip. Whenever this number goes down, it's going down 1 pip. Same thing with the tens place. Whenever this 1 is going up, it's moving up 10 pips. Whenever this number is going down, it's moving down 10 pips. And same thing with the hundreds place. Whenever this number right here, the 1 right here, is moving up 1, it's moving up 100 pips. Whenever this number is going down, it's moving down 100 pips. That's the secret of counting pips. Knowing your ones, your tens, and your hundreds place. Don't worry about pipette. The pipette doesn't matter when you're counting pips. And orders. So we have 4 types of orders. We have market execution, sell limit, buy limit, and buy order. Market execution is what allows traders to buy or sell at market value. Buying and selling by market execution is selling instantly at current price. So basically what market execution is, when you're using your brokerage and you enter a trade with market execution, then you're instantly in that trade. You're not waiting for it to hit another number. You're waiting, like you're entering the trade at its current price. And a sell limit is where you place an order at a specific future price. And when you put a sell limit order, the trade will activate when price hits in the area you put the sell limit at. A buy limit order is where the trader waits to set an order when he or she is looking for price to come down to a specific price. And then we have a buy order. A buy order is when the market is continuing to rise up in one direction and expecting the market to break a specific price line. And that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested in trading in the largest financial market in the world or have any questions related to Forex, I will leave my Instagram or email down below. Feel free to ask any questions. And we're going to be continuing this Trading for Success series in future videos. Hope you guys enjoy and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.